Welcome to Game It Junior, one of the STEMFuse middle school course options. This particular option is perfect if you are teaching middle school introduction to computer programming or to game design. When you enter any of our courses, you will see that there's always a Start Here folder that is going to give you some things that you need as a teacher to get organized and to get started. And then there are units such as Introduction to the Engineering Design Cycle and Game Physics. There's also Computational Thinking and Programming, Debugging, Building a Game, Game Careers, Course Review, and then for industry certification, there is information to help your students to pass an industry certification exam called Precision Exams. Let's take a deeper look into each of these folders. Underneath Start Here, you are going to first of all see a teacher's guide, and this is going to give you the curriculum layout as well as the standards and pacing guide that you need. There are also tips for success. Under the pacing guide, you are going to see a pacing guide for the entire course, but within each unit there is a pacing guide just specifically for that unit. You will have the objectives and syllabus for your students, and you will also have information on how to get started with the software that is used. In this case, they are going to be using Construct 3, which is actually an industry game design software. Let's take a look in one of the actual course folders. This is an introduction to the EDC Game Physics. Again, the very first folder is going to be a teacher's guide that is going to walk you through everything that you need to know to teach this very specific unit. Then you are going to have a Learn Lesson. The Learn Lesson is a simple presentation that you are going to be able to show whether you are using this in the classroom or via distance online learning. Either way, you can click and make this full screen so that your students can see this, whether you are using it on a smartboard in your classroom or if you are using a platform to teach this online or with distance learning. The beauty of this course is that whether students are using it in the classroom or at home, the platform will not change and their instruction will not be watered down. Again, I can exit out of full screen. Along with Learn activities, there are activities to follow up to make sure that the students are learning everything that you had them learn in your presentation, and then they can share this file with you as a teacher so that you can see what they've learned. Along with activities, there is also assessments of which the students will submit to you, and through the platform this will be graded for you and generate a report that you can share with parents or administrators. If you have more questions, please contact your sales representative from STEMFuse.